Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and the weekly M1 Finance Fire Bridge account review. So the balance in the account right now is $26,830.04. So we're still down 7.55% overall on the account. Let's look at how the account did for this past week. So this past week we're in the red. I know the last maybe week or two the market was showing a lot of good signs being in the green and giving positive returns, but this week it looks like we went backwards, which I am not happy about because just like I just showed you, I'm still overall down on the account, but let's move forward. So we're down $347.09. So for the week, SCHD, you can see we're barely up 0.03% or $3.21. VGT, we're down almost 2% or $165.88. Realty income, we're down 2.36% or $148.42. VTI, we're down 1.47% or $36. So again, this past week, market didn't do too well. We can see on this page the starting balance for the week was $26,116.99. And then when you add in the cash flow, which we're going to talk about in a bit, that I put in minus the market loss of $347.09, that's what brought the balance to $26,830. It's technically quote unquote up, but as we are seeing here, that's because of the cash flow that I put in. So let's go right into the deposits for the week. All right, so this past week, a couple things. So first, I got paid out a dividend on August 15th from Realty Income. So Realty Income is a monthly dividend paying stock. So I definitely want to keep on beefing up, increasing my position within that company. So I got paid out $12.13, which is really nice. Next up, you see also on August 15th, there is two deposits of $514. There was some type of technical glitch with M1 Finance, and I'd put my original deposit of $514, but for whatever reason, the M1 Finance platform doubled the deposit and therefore pulled the money twice out of my account. So that's why, again, you're seeing the exact same number deposit into the account on the exact same dates. That was in total error, but I just don't have the capacity, the time, or the interest to like call M1 Finance customer service, get the money. I just like left it and just went ahead and had the system do a buy for me based off $1,028 because again of the dual deposit. Now, if you're wondering, wait, where did you get the extra money from? So what I did, unfortunately, is that I just took the extra $514 from my emergency fund to cover the extra withdrawal that came out of my checking account. So I'm then just going to work on replenishing that $514 back into my emergency fund and just leave this as an additional deposit in the M1 Finance account. So hopefully that wasn't too confusing. So two 514, that's $1,028 we see up here. See, there was two buys. Let's go ahead and check it out. So out of $1,028, $410.78 went to Realty Income. So I was able to get 5.5 shares. And then the balance of it in the amount of $617.22 went to SCHD, and I was able to get 8.0 shares of that. Now, if we look at the other deposit for the week, I made a $20 deposit on August 16th, and I was able to do one buy on August 16th as well, so of $32.14. So that's the $20 that I deposited plus the dividend of $12.13. That's what gave me the total of 34.14. So let's look at what we bought for 32.14. It was just one buy in Realty Income, and I got 0.42 shares. So overall, was I annoyed at the glitch? Yes, because I wasn't planning to deposit $1,028. It was just supposed to be $514, but this is an account that I'm definitely trying to increase to the highest possible number I can get it to. So that's why I wasn't too upset in terms of like extra money going in and me just pulling that money from my emergency fund and replenishing my emergency fund, because I'm like, you know what? We need to build up this account anyway, so I'm okay with the situation that happened. So for the week, I actually deposited $1,060.14. So it was a decent week deposit for the M1 Finance account. And if we just go back to the portfolio main page, you see at the bottom, I do have a trade coming up in the amount of $64. And that is all going to Realty Income. So that will get traded next week. So we'll review that deposit in next week's update. But that is where I am for this week with the fire account. So I'm happy the balance is going up. Again, that's mostly because of the deposit that I made this week. But I'm just gonna keep on plowing at this account, keep on trying to get it higher and higher, and hopefully the market will bounce back fairly soon and be consistent with the with the positive returns, so that I can finally be in the green overall on this account. But that's where I am. Let me know how your finances are going. How's your investing accounts holding up for this week? And I will talk to you next week. Bye.